Hello dear, we have two units of head blender today. You can see one unit is new and work with some fault. You can see this thing is broken. This one is not running, but it has no broken part. So at first I will replace this broken part of the good unit from this donor unit. And then I will see what is the actual problem of this unit. So let's move into it and see what we can do. First thing, we have to remove this broken part. We have to use screwdriver because it is not ideal for this type of congested place. I need pliers. Broken connector is removed. Now it's time to collect the good connector from the donor board. Finally, we found the replacement part for our new blender. So now, what's the problem? This part is faulty too, is a problem. Also, you can see this thing, but this one is dirty, so I need some cleaning. Now it's clean and we're going to install it to our good blender. But one problem, the motor is slightly tilt, so anytime it can burn by the friction. But I think when I push it in here, then motor shaft will align. So let's screw it. So our blender is completely okay and ready to work again. So we are successfully replaced the motor shaft connector of this unit and it works fine. Now we will see what's the problem of this unit. No response, nothing. So we have to open this unit and see what's the problem. Screw is open, but there is something locked in here. Look. Very simple mechanism. There is a thermostat switch for preventing the motor to burn. Look like some wood chip. I don't know, but why it's not running? What's the problem? Motor or what? I don't know what this may be. Capacitor. It shows ohm. DC 9.003 nanofarad. It says F1 I3. Then it's okay. And now check the thermostat switch. Okay or not? It's okay too. Then what's the problem? It has some diode. Let's check it with diode mode. This one is good. This one is good. This one is good too. One good. Diode is okay. This fuse thing is okay. And thermostat also. Then what's the problem? Let's measure it. Good. You can say our motor is faulty. Is it right? Is it a faulty motor or some wood chip? Let's see, is it working or not? Still not working. Motor is faulty. If the motor gone, can do nothing. Oh, this wire can be faulty. No, cable is okay. What's the problem? The motor generates electricity. That means motor is okay. But even after providing voltage, motor is not running. Why? I have some doubt. Let's check it again. No, it's good. What's the problem actually? Faulty motor means we have nothing to do. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching.